Yeah, a little bit of good news. The very worst of it should be coming along right as the morning commute is winding down. The North Bay is really going to see that impact before everyone else, though. You're going to be running ahead of schedule compared to the rest of the Bay by about 1 to 2 hours, which means if you are traveling up in Sonoma and Napa counties this morning especially, you're going to be in the midst of some of the wettest of conditions. This is 80 at Castle Peak, speaking of the Sierra Nevada, which is looking dry for the time being, but is not going to stay that way. We do have winter storm warnings from last night at 11 p.m. through 11 p.m. today, with multiple feet of snowfall piling up there. And the same winds we have in the Bay Area, they're going to be experiencing that up in the Sierra too. You can see snowfall is picking up for the northern edge of the Sierra Nevada, not so much around Lake Tahoe just yet, and also seeing some snowfall up along the northern California border. Heaviest of rainfalls right along the Humboldt coast right now. Most of us in the Bay Area have been relatively quiet. Little bit of a band of rain pushes through the Tri-Valley area on up 680. That's now made its way even further inland. Pockets of rainfall here and there offshore that are about to move in. But the heaviest of stuff really yet to impact us. 101's pretty wet from Novato, Petaluma on up to Healdsburg right now. You can see the center of circulation of the system still sitting well to the north and west of us. And this storm is going to be something that impacts us through the day today and has some residual impacts into tomorrow too. Timing it out for us. We will see widespread showers across the North Bay through the morning. 6 a.m. some showers on the peninsula too. You notice from 6, 7 to 8 a.m. that rain really picks up in intensity across the North Bay. Eventually that makes its way down further our direction towards 8, 9 to 10 a.m. So a bit of good news here that the bulk of that heaviest of rainfall actually misses the bulk of the morning commute right after you've settled all in. Maybe not the best lunch break to be out and about too much, as it's going to be very wet and very windy around that time. Late afternoon, you'll see some clearing as these showers clear out, but still pockets of rainfall and even a few rolls of thunder, not just into the afternoon, but evening tonight and then into tomorrow morning. As you're making your drive to work for your Wednesday, watch for a few rolls of thunder and some heavy downpours on into tomorrow too. This continues off and on through your Wednesday afternoon. So we've got a next 24 hours that are going to be very busy. Over 1 inch of rainfall for our urban areas, at least most of them. And winds are going to be substantial. Half Moon Bay and San Francisco will see winds gusting in excess of 50 miles per hour, even breezier conditions for our mountaintops. Wind advisories for almost all the Bay Area in effect right now, lasting through 2 p.m. today. Temps today will be in the 50s, so cooler than yesterday was. Today and tomorrow are our stormy ones, today being the very worst of it though, especially late morning into early afternoon. Isolated thunderstorms into tomorrow afternoon. Thursday and Friday we catch a break, and although the weekend will bring showers, nothing near as stormy as what we're experiencing today.